Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Google Trends for blogging. So first thing, just simply go to trends.google.com and this will be their homepage. And after that, just simply go for the explore over here on the second tab. And now here on the all categories, just simply click on this and just simply provide over here blog. And from here, you will have blogging resources and services. And now from here, you could select a time frame. Let's say I'm going to go for past 5 years. So pretty much this will be just an example. And you could have a web search over here, image search, news search, Google Shopping, or YouTube search. And if we scroll down, as you can see, we will have here multiple options that we could do for blogging. So guys, I recommend adding a term. So let's say my blog post is about fitness. I'm gonna provide a keyword over here, fitness. And if we scroll down, we will have here these topics. So let's say I'm gonna compare it to health. So from here, it will show me a result, which keyword is much better for my title or blog, or which post that I should cover. And from here, as you can see guys, fitness is much more higher performance rather than health. And now if you want to go broader, you could select over here and just simply select worldwide. And now you will have here a worldwide view and you could see the performance on each keyword. And this will give you an idea on which keyword that you should often use more into your blog post. There you go. See ya.